Welcome to the Kingston Brass Installation channel. In this video, we will be going over how to replace diverter for the KS124A LBSAC. Additional model numbers that may apply will be listed in the video description below. Before we start, you are going to need a 10mm Allen wrench, needle nose pliers, and diverter part KSRP1241D. Next, make sure to shut off main water supply. By hand, unscrew the lower portion of the spout. Using a 10mm Allen wrench to loosen the diverter by turning counterclockwise. Replace diverter using needle nose pliers. Tighten with Allen wrench. Last, thread spout back onto the faucet body. Before we finish, make sure to turn on main water supply and check for leaks. That's it. You have successfully completed the replacements.